Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on how to cut and sew. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut a abaya gown using this fabric. I'll be using 4 yards of this fabric to cut it out. The abaya gown I'm talking about, it has an attached frill at the neck. So the first thing I'll be cutting out here is the body. So I'll be folding it into 4 places. After deducting 2.5 yards from the 4 yards, then I folded it into 4 places, as you can see. So the next thing I need here is to take the measurement. The shoulder measurement, the arm measurement, then the bust measurement is not a fitted, as you can see. Then the full length. So the shoulder measurement is 9 inches, as you can see. Then I'll be making use of shoulder slant of 1/2 inch. You can see it. You can use 1 inch of shoulder slant. It's not constant. So the arm measurement is 9 inches. It's 9 inches. So the bust measurement is 44 inches. This is 11 inches in 4 places. It's going to give us 44 inches. Plus 2 inches seam allowance. So the next thing I mean here is to determine the half cut. The half cut here is 16 inches. The half cut. So the waist measurement here is 38 inches. That's going to give me 9.5 inches. So with the seam allowance of 2 inches, then I'm going to connect my sketch together like this, like this. Then to the full length. So I'm taking the full length of the fabric. And the length of the fabric is 57.5 inches. As you can see, this is 57.5 inches. So the next thing that remains here is to cut it out. So this is it. You can see it. So the next thing that I mean here is to trim the down part in order not to let the edges to be touching the ground. So I have to lower it a little bit with at least, this is not constant, you can set to lower it with any measurement, but I'll be using 2.5 here. So you can see it now. So it's going to give us a round shape here. So after this now, I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to cut the neck out, the neckline. So the wideness of the neck here, I'll make use of 3 inches. For the wideness of the neck, I'll be using 3 inches. For the deepness of the neck, I'll be using 3 inches for the front, while 2 inches for the back. So I'm cutting the back first. Then I'll now open it to cut the front. I'm going to divide the front into two. This is the front now. Divide the front into two. So I'm done with the body. The next thing that remains here is to cut out the veil, then the sleeve. So I'll be starting from this out. So I'll be cutting out the sleeve now. So this is the remaining fabric. When I deduct from the 4 yards, I deducted 2.5 yards for the body. Then I deducted 30 inches for the veil. Then this is the remaining remaining fabric from the 4 yards, and this is what I'll use for the sleeve. So I'll be folding this into 2, then into 4, then into 4. So what remains here is sleeve length. Sleeve length here is 27 inches. With the seam allowance of the sleeve, I'll be using 27 inches. And here I'll be taking 4 inches. It's not constant, it depends on the measurement. So from this 4 inches, this is where I'm going to this is where I'm going to cut it from. This is the cutting of the sleeve. Then I'll be cutting it here too. So after then, the sleeve, it has a step. The sleeve has a step. So this is after cutting out the sleeve. I told you the sleeve is going to have its steps. So this is the 5 inches. The wideness is 5 inches. It's 5 inches wide. Then I'll be folding it into 2 this way. This way, then I'll be attaching it here like this. It needs to be like this. You're going to take one of these, then open it and place your steps. This is what I mean. So from here now, you're going to notch where your step is going to start from. From this place like this. From this place now, you're going to notch where the steps are going to start from. From this area, you're going to notch where the steps are going to start from. What I mean is this. Let's assume you're starting from here. I will notch it for you to see where I'm going to start it from. Then you place the second one under the first one. That will give you the second step. So this is how I'm going to do it. And by the time I'm done with the finishings, you're going to see it. You can see? So it depends on the steps. Maybe you're going to put 3 steps or 4 steps or 5 steps. It depends on how you want your steps to be. So you can see it. This is the 3rd step. So I'm going to stop at the 3rd step. I'll be folding this in. So Now let me show you where I'm going to start the step from at the sleeve. So I would like to start my step from 14 inches. So I'll be starting my steps from here. So the next thing that remains here is the veil. I'll be attaching this to the neck of the dress, and this is going to serve as a veil for the abaya dress. This is 30 inches. So this is what I'll be using for the veil. So let me go and join everything together and show you the finishing. Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. This is a jalanya style with an attached veil. You can see the way I style it. So please, if you are watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and try to on the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class. Bye.